am Madhurima Datta, Zoology and Biology Educational Content Creator. Now's content for B.Sc Zoology Honours, M.SC Zoology Honours, Microbiology Honours, Physiology Honours and Biochemistry Honours. And exam for CUT PG exam, GATE exam, DBT exam, IIT JAM exam, BARC exam, ICMAR exam and CSI NET Life Sciences exams. Paper Cell Biology, Unit 1 Introduction of Cell, and topic is difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. For full video, please subscribe my YouTube channel Biogenesis by Madhurima and follow my Facebook account Madhurima Datta. So, the greatest biochemical diversity exists among prokaryotic cells. Some introduction of the prokaryotic cell is, from simple microscope, it has long been clear that living organisms can be classified on the basis of the cell structure into two groups, the eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Eukaryotes keep their DNA in a distinct membrane-enclosed intracellular compartment called the nucleus. The name is from the Greek meaning truly nucleated, from the words eu means well or truly and karyon means kernel or nucleus. So, which cell possesses true nucleus is called eukaryotic cells. Next, most prokaryotic cells are small and simple in outward appearance and they live mostly in independent individuals or in loosely organized communities rather than as multicellular organisms. They are typically spherical or rod-shaped and measure a few micrometers in linear dimensions. They often have a tough protective coat called a cell wall, beneath which a plasma membrane encloses a single cytoplasmic compartment containing DNA, RNA, proteins and the many small molecules needed for life. Next, difference between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Example of the prokaryotic cell is bacteria, archaea, and example of the eukaryotic cell is protist, fungi, plants and animals. First features is nuclear architecture. In prokaryotic cells, no true nucleus, genomic DNA resides in an irregular, non-membrane bound region called the nucleus. In eukaryotic cells, the nucleus enclosed by a double membrane nuclear envelope embedded with the nuclear pore complex. Next feature is genomic DNA topology. In prokaryotic cells, typically a single circular double-stranded DNA molecule and plasmids are common. In eukaryotic cells, multiple linear double-stranded chromosome complexed with histooctamers to form chromatin. Next features transcription and translation, which is coupled in the prokaryotic cells. Transcription and translation occur simultaneously in the cytoplasm due to lack of spatial compartmentalizations. Next, in eukaryotic cells, it is spatially separated and transcription occurs in nucleus. mRNA is processed and exported to the cytoplasm for translation. Next, ribosome sedimentation. In prokaryotic cell, it is 70S, total 40S large subunit plus 30S small subunit. Next, in eukaryotic cell, it is 80S total, 60S large subunit and 40S small subunits. Organelles like mitochondria, chloroplast contain 70S ribosomes. Next features is membrane biochemistry. It is ether-linked branched isoprenoids, often forming monolayers and lack sterols, except mycoplasma, which are hapanoids. And in eukaryotic cells, ester-linked straight-chain fatty acid contains sterols. Cholesterol in animals is ergosterol in fungi and phytosterol in plants for fluidity regulation. Next, cell wall composition. In bacteria, peptidoglycan, that is murine alternating NAM and NAG units, and archaea pseudopeptidoglycan S layers for polysaccharide. And in plant cells, cellulose and hemicellulose, in fungi chitin, in animals entirely absent in the cell wall. Next, cytoskeletal elements. In prokaryotic cells, it is primitive homologous FTS Z, that is the tubulin homologue, and MRE-MBL, that is the actin homologue, and crescentin, that is the intermediate filament homologue. And in eukaryotic cell, it is highly developed network of microtubules, that is tubulin, microfilaments, that is actin, and intermediate filaments. Next, cell division mechanism. In prokaryotic cell, it is seen binary fission driven by the assembly of the FTSZ ring, and mitotic spindle apparatus is completely absent. And in eukaryotic cell, mitosis and meiosis utilizing a microtubule mediated mitotic spindle apparatus. Now the topic has ended. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Biogenesis by Madhurima and follow my Facebook account Madhurima Datta. Thank you everyone.